Good morning, students. Welcome back in your English class. I know you are curious to know what happened in the next part of the story. So let's continue the story. They walked in and soon saw a herd of cows, but just as they were about to come up to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. The cows were mooing loudly and running in a panic in all directions. Terrible means dreadful. Panic means feeling of fear. The bear looked out from behind a tree and then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. Hastily means hurriedly. "Now why did I have to come here?" said he to the dog. It is the lion who rules the forest in these parts." "The lion? Who is he?" "Don't you know he is the strongest beast on the earth?" Beast means animal. "Well, then I will say goodbye to you, bear. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth." Students, in last class we have read that the dog left the company of wolf and offered his services to the bear. Now children, what happened next? That the two of them means bear and the dog. They started hunting animals. One day the dog and the bear were hunting for the cows, and suddenly the bear ran into the forest to hide himself. The bear observed that the cows were moving here and there. They were running to save themselves, and they were also mooing. Mooing means they were shouting. Bear also ran into the forest to hide himself. The dog was surprised to see that. He understood that the bear was not the strongest creature, as he was frightened by someone. He asked the bear the reason of his fear. The bear said that it's the lion who is the ruler of the jungle and everyone get frightened by him. Next lines. And off the dog went to ask the lion to be his master. The lion agreed to it, and the dog stayed with him and served him for a long, long time. It was a good life, and he had nothing to complain of, for there was no stronger beast in the forest than the lion, and no one dared touch the dog or offend him in any way. Dared means to be brave enough to do something. Offend means annoyed. Now children, as the dog saw that the bear was afraid of the lion, he left the company of the bear. And offered his services to the lion. The lion agreed to it. The dog served the lion for a very long time. He was happy and satisfied in the company of the lion because nobody dared to hurt or annoy the dog. But one day, the two of them were walking side by side along a path that ran amid bare cliffs when all of a sudden the lion stopped. Amid means middle of. Bare means without. Cliffs means a steep, high rock. He gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily with his paw with such force that a hole formed there. Then he began to back away very quietly. Back away means move away. "What is it, master? Is anything wrong?" asked the dog, surprised. "I smell a man coming this way," the lion said. "We'd better run for it or we will be in trouble." "Oh, well, then I will say goodbye to you, lion. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth." Then what happened? One day, the dog and the lion were moving together. Suddenly, the lion stopped and started moving backward. The dog was again surprised. He saw that the lion was getting frightened. He became angry also. The dog asked the lion the reason of getting frightened. In reply, the lion said that he can sense the presence of a man, so he suggested the dog to go back, otherwise he would face trouble. The lion smelled a man, and so he gave the warning to the dog also to go back. And off the dog went to join the man, and he stayed with him and served him faithfully. This happened long, long ago, but to this day, the dog is man's most loyal servant and knows no other master. Loyal means faithful. So children, then the dog understood that the lion is not the strongest creature on the earth. He is the ruler of the forest, but he also gets frightened by someone. He was frightened by a man. That means he is not the strongest creature. And so he offered his services to the man. And since then, the dogs are the most faithful servants or animals of the human. Since then, the dogs are serving human beings. And we also keep them, we also love them. We keep them as a pet animal in our home. So this is all about the story, how a dog became a pet animal and how he found a master. So students, go through the video. You can see the text also. Go through the text. In the next class, you will get the question answers of the chapter. You may also get some homework. Thank you.